We are gathered here in holy remembrance of Yad Vashem and Hamas Karol Jerusalem to commemorate the 60 million Jews murdered by the German Nazis and their collaborators. I have the honor to invite Mr. Osvi Osoplia to rekindle the eternal flame in the hall of remembrance. As we rekindle the eternal light in this hall of remembrance for the sacred remains of our martyrs, we unite with the blessed memory of 6 million proud people who died in martyrs' death at the hands of the German Nazis and their collaborators, of the Jewish communities destroyed in the wicked attempt to eradicate the name and culture of Israel. We remember with veneration the fortitude of the fighters who kindled this divine flame of rebellion among the besieged masses of the ghettos to save the honor of the Jewish people, the heroic and persistent struggle of the masses of the house of Israel on the threshold of destruction, for their human dignity and their Jewish heritage, the righteous among the nations who risked their lives to save Jews from persecution and death. I have the honor to invite Mr. Osvi Osoplia to lay the wreath of the stone slab under which the ashes of Holocaust victims from the 6 extermination camps are buried. Ladies and gentlemen,